You're so smart. You get right up in your chair. Can you get down? Sit on your butt. Don't stand up in that chair, miss. Can you get out of the chair without falling? Sit down. Can you get down? Get down. Put your foot down. Sit on your butt. On your butt. You got to put your foot down on the floor. Can you get down? Yeah? Do it. Where's your puppy? Puppy. Go get her. Go get her. Can you get down? Yeah, turn around. There's your puppy. Can you get her? We're gonna have to go in soon so you can eat some dinner and take a bath. Oh my, Callie, say oh my. Oh my. You're so funny. Where's your nose? No, that's your head. Is that your hair? Can you get down out of your chair? Come on. Come on. Let's go inside. Come on. Can you get down? Careful. Show Mama how you did it before. Here. You have to start with one foot. One foot down. Good job! Whoa! Whoa! You gotta get that foot off there. Yay! Who's my big girl? He's the biggest girl. Yay, Callers! Oh, it's gonna get stuck. Callie. Callie, quit. Hey, who's the big girl? Did you get in and out of that chair all by yourself? You did? It's on your butt, miss. Can you get down? Can you get down? Careful. If you stand up in that chair, I'm going to have to ground you. Can you get down? Careful. Do you want help? What are you gonna do? There you go. That one was tricky. Sorry I had to butt in and help you. I love you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.